So this is our current project for the weekend. We have this Kawasaki. It's a 100cc. It's a little busted up right there. This one's awesome though. This thing, it fires right up and goes. This one will definitely need work. A lot more work than that red one. So that'll be fun. And we're working on these because, Matt, you want to explain what's going on with the Jeep?
Because we're waiting on parts for the Jeep. The wheel cylinders do not match the year that it says it is. So I don't know if there's some, maybe they had leftover axle from 70 and they put it in 72 and they're building it. Who knows?
Ooh. Yeah, she's gonna need a lot of work. When do the parts come?
Thursday.
Thursday? Shoot, okay. Today's Saturday, so this will be the next project for right now. This thing is awesome. It's only got 200,000 miles. So we do have actually all the parts for this one. We just gotta put it on the bike. Don't know if we have mirrors or not. We'll have to see. Right now I'm just polishing up all the little chrome parts here. So see how dirty that is? Take some steel wool. And that shines it right up. Just like that. So next will be this guy right here. I already did the other side and it's looking pretty empty. That's a little scuff right there that I can't get off, but that's looking pretty shiny. Should see what it looked like before. I should have videotaped it, but I wasn't thinking. Alright, we'll see. And there we go. I mean, it didn't clean up as good as the other side, but still pretty decent.
I don't want to change one of these on the side of the road.
What?
I wouldn't want to change one of these on the side of the road. You can't get them off because this is in the way, even with the axle dropped. There's the back.
That sucks. I think this is the first time in my whole entire life I haven't seen your butt crack. Good job putting your pants on today. So we're getting all new tires?
Well, I should.
Ooh, this is turning out to be a money pit.
Well, that's what you get when you get something that's like this. Not running and driving.
Yeah, I guess. Why are you looking at me like that?
Okay, you spy.
So I got this on eBay for like 40 bucks. This is the rear fender for the Kawasaki. I don't know, I'm gonna color match that. That's not even, I don't know, we'll see. It looks like the freaking Titanic under here, like what the heck? Well, I just got done bondoing all the little imperfections in this. And Matt, what did you do?
Got the brakes off.
Nice. How'd that go?
That's a pain in the ass.
Yeah?
Yep.
That sucks.
But they're off.
Nice. Well, I just got home from work and yeah, found Matt working in the garage. Hey Matt.
Hey.
And I was looking at the Kawasaki and this thing, good thing I looked. Look how loose that thing is. Look at that bolt. So I have to take this off anyways, that's actually good. And put it on here. This one, I thought it came in 2 pieces, but it's actually cracked. This thing is all messed up. So let's take a look at the Bondo job. Nice. I got all the little cracks and crannies. Sweet. Sand that down, paint it. So my plan is to actually paint it orange, and then I'm gonna do the red overlay on it. Just so it kind of matches a little bit more of this than this red. We'll see how it goes, I don't know. But yeah, that's what's going on tonight. I lost track of what day it is of the build on the Jeep.
I have no idea.
Matt doesn't know what's going on either. So we're not very good at YouTube stuff, I guess. Still waiting on the parts for this. That's coming in on Thursday, like I said before. Alright, let's take a look at this seat. actually. I don't know, we'll see. Want to show me how rusty those lines were?
Pretty rusty. Still solid, but not taking any chances.
Yep.
Do it right or don't do it at all.
Yeah, listen here, kids. Here's my results of the crappy tape job. So I actually have some big plans with this one. You know what? I'm gonna let it be a surprise. Yeah. You know what? I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm just gonna be working on it, and then you guys can find out as I go. I like this plan. You like that plan, Matt? Is that a good plan?
Sure, it's a good plan.
I like that plan. All right, cool.
Fantastic.
That's pretty much it. Maybe I'll take some videos of Matt working on some stuff, but other than that, we'll catch you next time. All right, peace.